Welcome back. Hey, new video. What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. I'm turned up. We're going crazy today. I'm telling you, bro. Grab your laptop while watching the video. That way you learn the most out of it. Try to work with me. Pause the video if you can't follow, or go a little bit back if you missed something. Other than that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community. You feel me? Let's grow the channel. We're almost at 10K. My baby, yes sir. Anyways, I'm sipping my tea like usual. Let's dive into the video. I'm thinking about maybe making something ambient, more dark, or maybe Don TOLIVER or something really like vintage and analog sounding. Okay, these are like huge sounding chords. What I'm going to add right now is a filter, maybe to like filter out the sound a little bit, makes sense, and a lot of reverb. I'm going to add some drums real quick, just to like create a little groove, a little bounce, you feel me? And that way I know perfectly what I'm working with and how many counter melodies I can add. So that's a good tip I can give you when like making melodies, because sometimes it can sound like too full. I kind of want to go for like that bounce from way bigger, like I'm just trying something right here, see if this works. So we got the sample right here. I chopped it up a little bit. And I'll stretch this a little bit. Bro, this finna be crazy. I'm telling you, bro. That is beautiful. That is something for like in the background, something really smooth, subtle, you feel me, that plays and complements the main melody. So let's just hear how it sounds with the other melodies. That's too crazy. What I did actually is I copied over the same chords and then I just like hit Alt R. That will like randomize the pattern instead of like the velocity. So Alt R, usually you got this ticked off right here, the pattern, but if you click this on and then put it in the right scale, it will create like a counter melody for you. You can like mess around with these knobs as well, just like go crazy with it. I added some halftime to it and some really long reverb. That is just like a little counter melody to like spice up the melody even more. So I'm gonna add that in there as well, that little piano, and then I think we're done because we already did the drums. So let's see how it sounds all laid out and structured. So I think this was the beat. I think this was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. I would appreciate it. This really is like a smooth ambient Don Toliver type of beat in like that vintage synthy sound that we're always talking about. Super fire in my opinion. I hope you enjoyed it. Like the beat is like calm but active at the same time, if that makes sense. So super fire in my opinion. Definitely like a Don Toliver type of beat, bro. I'm active on social media as well at Skana Beats. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.